Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M6 and let me share with you how to free up memory without the need to remove apps. So first of all, I'd like to show you removing cache. So let's go to the settings. And here in this list we have to scroll down in order to find the apps. Then let's go to manage apps. And here we've got the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device. And what I highly recommend to do is to simply go through all of those apps, especially those which you are usually using, and to remove cache. So let me choose maybe contacts. Just tap on the specific app and tap on the storage. And as you can see right here, we've got this cache section, and basically cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the normal usage of the app. So let's simply tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Tap on OK, and as you can see, your device will immediately remove the cache section, thanks to which you can free up some memory. And obviously if you will do it for all of your apps or the vast of it, you will be able to free up a lot of space. I do not recommend tapping on clear data, clear all data, because unless you wish to have your app brand new without any kind of information, so be aware about that. So as I said, go through all of those apps and clear cache. After that, I highly recommend to restart your device, and the easiest way to do that is to press the power button and press it long enough until you'll see the black screen, and then the developers, not the black screen, but a gray screen, and this developer options, thanks to which you can just drag this bolt to the reboot option and your device will be powered off and then powered on automatically. Basically, this operation will kind of confirm all of those changes caused by removing cache. So that was the first way of releasing some memory. The second one is to actually go to your downloads, because let's be honest, usually we are downloading a lot of stuff and then we forget about it. But obviously it is occupying our memory. Those apps are occupying our, those files are occupying our memory, etc. So I highly recommend to go to your file manager, whether you're using your developers manager or any third-party app. Just open it and for sure you will find the folder which is called I just want to give them all the permissions it needs. Sorry for that delay. Okay. Now we can go back. And here we've got our file manager. And basically, we can go to the storage and find the downloads right here. And as you can see, in my case, I've got different stuff here, and I highly recommend to go through all of those files, check which one you really need and which one can be removed. And for sure you will release a lot of memory because of removing some unwanted files. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to use the app which is provided by the developer, and it is called Security and Cleaner. I highly recommend to simply go to security because cleaner is also included in the whole security app. So here, as I said, first of all, you can simply tap on optimize your device and your device will try to optimize itself. After that, I highly recommend to go to the cleaner and your device will calculate different cache files, but those files are not associated with all of the apps. As you can see, we've got only 2 of them. So that's why we needed to do it manually. Memory, packages, residuals, just tap on cleanup and your device will do it. Here we've got also the deep clean, so you can check what kind of things you can remove. Obviously we are ignoring the apps because we are trying to free up memory without uninstalling apps, etc, etc. So I highly recommend to really check this section and remove some files. And as a last resort, I highly recommend to consider the backup. Basically, I will not show you the full backup operation because we've got a lot of videos about how to do it. It is a really detailed video, but basically I highly recommend to do that, thanks to which you will be able to simply move your files from the internal storage to another place, thanks to which you will be able to release some memory. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.